Welcome to the Lead Forward Learning video for the online field guides for teachers. The Teacher's Field Guide is a tool for individual teachers and PLCs to use to develop content knowledge around the text. It succinctly organizes the information teachers and PLCs need to effectively plan meaningful instruction and intervention for students. For information on campus subscriptions, click the store on the Lead Forward website, then click Field Guides. From there, you can get pricing information on the available bundles that meet your campus needs. Once purchased, the field guide can be accessed by signing in to your Lead Forward account and going to Memberships. We have field guides available for each of the 4 content areas and for every grade level. This includes both the STAR-tested and non-tested grades. Field guides are organized a little differently by content area, and they align closely with our other Lead Forward resources and tools. So let's take a look at a grade 5 math example to highlight some of the field guide features. Let's say our PLC was planning for an upcoming unit on decimals. We're teaching comparison of decimals, and our focus standard is 5.2b. Each field guide is essentially a cheat sheet for the designated standard or subcluster. So when we look over the page for 5.2b, we can start by reviewing a scaffold that lays out a condensed vertical alignment for our standard. Here we can see how 5.2b builds from grades 3 and 4 and then continues to evolve conceptually into grade 6. Following the scaffold is the stimulus section of the field guide. The stimulus refers to the visuals students have to engage with within the concept. The shaded ones represent the variety of visuals that teachers could utilize to teach the specific content in more than one way. The stimuli that are marked with an asterisk or star means these visuals have been previously assessed on STAR. Another component of the field guide is the content builder. This identifies what students need to know and be able to do. It breaks down the content of the student expectation into its various moving parts, including the design of instruction and what is eligible for assessment. Each field guide also contains a section titled Instructional Implications, which helps us see what kids have to know and be able to do through the lens of instruction. Within our PLC, this supports our discussions around how we will teach the concept. What should we consider? What should we pay attention to in instruction? What is especially important for us to talk about, demonstrate, clarify, and offer opportunities to our students to set them up for successful learning. Another cool part of the field guide is what we call Learning from Mistakes, and this section outlines some of the more common errors in learning that students have historically shown in trying to understand this concept. We can proactively plan from this section by being able to anticipate what will get in our way and in our students' way. Now, this is in no way an exhaustive list, but it is a good place to begin the thinking about what may interfere with learning. Also included in the field guide is a section on academic vocabulary that helps us to identify the words important for concept development. These terms that are associated with the standard are oftentimes the words that students may mix up during the course of instruction and/or assessment. Also, a part of some field guides is an awesome feature that highlights what we at Lead Forward call the interesting items. While all of the STAR release test questions are a good testing tool, there are some that are also really good teaching tools. These are the items we call the interesting items and offer a starting place when choosing items for analysis and instruction. So, in a nutshell, the field guides provide a deep dive into every standard or subcluster of standards. They give us a place to begin when analyzing the text that we will be teaching within a unit of instruction. Along with the field guide subscription is a much more detailed and in-depth learning video that explains the field guides, its included sections, and how those pieces are designed to help your PLC to better understand and teach your standards within each content area. There are many other cool and unique features for each content area, so feel free to reach out to us if you want to learn more. Just click on the store link from our website to get started. At Lead Forward, we believe that when you lead learning, you change the world. Thanks for watching this video. Let's go change the world together.